Let's do the unboxing of this beautiful hang-on filter. It looks like a waterfall when you connect it to your aquarium. Stay till the end of this video where you can get some bonus tips on customizing and supercharging your hang-on filter. This comes with a small surface skimmer. I haven't much found it very useful in my setup, but it does come with one small surface skimmer. When we open the filter, we can see that there is a carbon cartridge which is replaceable, and there's also a sponge filter which also you can use your own sponge filter from the shops. There you can see inside the motor which sucks in the water for filtration. Total pipe length can be adjusted by adding or removing a few of the pipe attachments. Now let's place this hang-on filter on the back of our aquarium tank. Now you can see me positioning that knob at the bottom of the filter to adjust it with reference to the back glass of the aquarium. Hang-on filter is now fully set up. We pour a little bit of water into this filter to start it, and here you can see that the water is being sucked in from the aquarium and it will be filtered back into the aquarium. The knob here helps to adjust the flow of water, and you can either increase it or decrease it based on your needs. There you go. This is the fully set up hang-on filter, best suited for planted aquarium tanks and even normal aquarium tanks without plants. Also, this is a very beautiful filter, and this waterfall appearance is very eye-catching and aesthetic for the aquarium setup. Apart from the normal sponge which is provided, you can also buy the bio balls, or you can buy ceramic rings like this from the store, and you can add it to your filter and supercharge it. You can get these small circular sponges in the local aquarium shops, and you can add it to the bottom of the filter near the place where the water is sucked in, so that the small fishes or the shrimps don't get sucked in.